Yes, in this video, we'll be talking about what happened to your money after you deposit it. Yes, when you deposit your money, what next happens? That's what we're going to be discussing in this video. After you deposit your money into a bank, the bank does not store it in a vault. Yeah, the bank doesn't just take it to vote and store it there, leave it there. No. Instead, it becomes part of their cash reserve. Yes, bank have cash reserve. Instead of just storing it in the vault, they don't just store it there. It became part of their cash reserve, which is now liability to them because they have collected money from you. Yes, it became liability to the bank as part of their cash reserve and is primarily used to fund loans for other customers. Yes, primarily your money you deposit, the bank now use it to give loans to other customers who request for them. Yes, other customer will come and request for loan. The one you deposited is what they now use as part of their reserve, keep as part of their reserve, and use to give to those customers that will come to request for loan. The bank acts as an intermediary, using your funds to earn interest via lending to individuals or businesses while ensuring enough liquidity is on hand for daily withdrawal. Yes, while they use the fund they have after acting as an intermediary between you and those that will require loan, they use the fund you deposited into the bank and give to those that will need them as a loan. Yes, for interest. Yes, they give it out to those that needs loan based on interest as a return, because those people they lend to will return. They lend to will return interest, not just the capital in which they borrow. The principals alone they will return. They will return interest based on the agreed rate the bank agree with the customer they are going to pay as interest. Yes, there's a certain percentage they will agree with the customer that when you are returning this money or at a certain period you pay so interest as so percentage of the principal money that we are giving out to you. Yeah, this is how it works. Yes, key details about what happens to deposited money includes this. Yeah, some details on what happened to money that you deposited. This is what happened. Safety and security. Yeah, your money is safe and secured when you deposited it to the bank. You cannot keep huge sum at home, hence you have to take it to the bank, and the bank will help you to keep it safe and secured. Loan funding, like we have said earlier, they use it to fund loan for other people that will need loan. Yes, immediate use. For example, you are depositing money to the bank today and you want to use that money, even same today, you still have access to your money because the cash is not already credited into your account. You can equally still withdraw it and use the money. Yeah, interest and end. You can earn interest from the money you deposited to the bank. If the bank use it to give to other people who will need it as loan, of course the people will pay interest based on that fund that they are giving out to them and the agreed percentage they agreed. For example, if they are giving out 100,000 naira, they agreed 10%. The customer will be returned when he's paying back the principal money. He will pay 10,000 naira, which is 10%. If they agree 10% on that 100,000 they give out, and the bank will not keep it, or the bank might decide to give you the owner of the fund as for example 5,000 naira out of that 10,000 naira, while they keep the rest. This is how it works. Yes, this is how it works. The last one is physical handling. Yes, physical cash is usually sent to a central location or used to balance bank books. Yes, this central location could be vault, and if vault is saturated, yes, cash can equally be moved to CBN for safekeep. If a bank vault of branches and head office is saturated, if branches vault are filled up, they take some to maybe to zonal vault, from zonal vault to head office vault, and if the liquidity is too much in the circulation, so they can in turn take some of them to CBN for safekeep also. Yeah, this is how it works. When you walked into the bank to deposit money, after depositing it, this is what happens, and this is what they use your money to do. Thank you so much. Please like, share, comment. Most importantly, follow Tola Amplifier for more educative videos like this. Thank you.